back. So today we're looking at a very unique and collectible car. It's a 68 Shelby GT500, and I've got the owner here. Hey Trent, how you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How are you, Gary?
Thank you for having us over and sharing the history on your beautiful, very collectible, very rare, very unique car. So tell me, there's a story to this thing.
There is. I've actually known the car for 42 years, and I've known my friend for 42 years who owned the car, and I've had the car for almost a year now. And yeah, so I got to know the car quite well over the years back home in Yorkton.
Yeah.
We used to hang out. I had my first 70 Mach 1 back then, and Don had his Shelby, and we used to go to car shows together, showing shines, and hung out, and had many rides in the car over the year.
And obviously had a like for this one. You're a Mustang guy. We can tell by your garage. We're going to get a look at your garage as well. But we gotta look at this car. Show us this. Show us under the hood here. So this is a legit 428 GT500. Very rare, very unique, very original for the most part. Is that right?
It is. It's unrestored. Again, my friend had it for 42 years. And as it is now, he painted the car, did some work on it, fixed what needed to be fixed. And it's never been restored, just kept after very well.
Yeah, very original car. A very other than the repaint. Wow, so pretty. And you were saying that this paint on here is 50 years old. Is that correct?
50 years old. When Don bought it in 74, it was typical muscle car. The guys drive them hard and need a little bit of TLC, so he had it painted the next year in 75, and this is the paint from that year.
That's incredible. It shows so nice. You just had a nice cut and buff by a mutual friend here. I guess Wayne did help you out with that.
He did, yes.
Very nice. So to give everybody some numbers on these, like this, the reason I say this is so rare and collectible, there's only a little over 1,000 of these made.
Yes, there's 1,020 of these made, and this is one of them.
Yeah, very cool. I think the total numbers were with convertibles and all the rest, it was something like 1,500. But if you factor in just fastbacks, I think the numbers were just a little over 1,100 or something like that. Very cool car. So a friend of yours in Yorkton had this for many years. You got the call, he was ready to sell, and you picked this up a year ago.
Yeah.
And what's it been like to own this? This is incredible.
It's been a lot of fun. It's been interesting. You know, how many guys get a chance to buy a car that they've known for 42 years?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we look in the interior there?
Sure.
So there's some unique Shelby things about these that you don't see on other cars. The shoulder harnesses stand out to me right away. You notice that right away. Show us some other Shelby only stuff. The steering wheel.
Mm-hmm. There's a number of package groups they put in. They had like not a convenience group. There was an extra cooling package that comes with the car. There's a trim package that comes in with a little wood grain trim around the inside.
Yes.
It also comes with 140 mile per hour speedometer, as well as I believe it's an 8,000 RPM tack.
Yeah, there's that 140 speedo right there. Very cool.
And then, of course, as you notice, got the harness and the roll bar in there.
Yeah. And that roll bar, it's almost hidden, but it is there. You can see it.
It's there. It's a full roll bar, yeah.
Yeah.
And Stuart Warner gauges in the console, as well as another Shelby option in there.
Wow. Wow, very nice. And this one has, how many miles are on this one now, Trent?
This one is fairly low miles. In talking with my friend Don, he was having issues with the speedometer where the needle would bounce up and down. So he changed the speedometer in the cable. So the speedometer on here isn't the total miles on the car. So I believe there's around 70,000 miles, maybe 75,
Wow.
which
Yeah.
is still fairly low for these
Oh,
cars.
very, very low. It's a 68, and
Yeah.
wow, super nice. Super nice. What did they call that red?
The Ford name for it was Candy Apple Red.
Candy apple red. And I understand that as far as Mustangs go, that was the most common color. I think it was something like 21% of all Mustangs came in that red, or came in a red specifically.
Yeah, that's what I heard too. It was one of the most popular colors.
Wow, beautiful car. Beautiful car from one caretaker to another. Uh, super nice. Super nice deal. Also a glass hood on those. And I didn't realize that. There's a lot of neat stuff here. You mentioned that the lights on the front here were originals, which isn't common. Wow. So take us around your garage a little bit. You've got such a nice collection of license plates, die-cast cars. You've got a little bit of everything in here.
I think it's part of being a car guy because there's a lot of garages I've seen where fellow car guys fill it up with things like license plates and oil cans and signs. And
I don't know that I've seen a license plate collection this big. I've seen a lot of collections, and you've got a numerous amount of... do you know how many license plates are in here?
I don't. I'm sure I probably got overall probably a couple hundred, 250. I do have some in boxes as I ran out of wall space.
Wow. And an avid collection of F1 and Mach 1 Mustangs in the die cast. Beautiful F1 cars. Wow, very nice. And you were saying the Hot Wheels are all different.
Yeah, they're all 1970 Mach 1s, but every one is actually different.
That's cool. And some cans, some beautiful cans. Wow, Trent. Very impressive, Trent. I appreciate you having us over, sharing your beautiful Mustang with us and your garage collection. Beautiful car. Can't wait to see it out next summer. Thank you again for having us. Beautiful deal.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoy the video. This is a very rare, unique car, and I'm happy to share it with you. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.